they weren't aware of. That's extremely hard. The mod had the opposite dynamic. Players were already searching for a solution. They already knew what they wanted. I don't want to open this loot menu anymore. The project just had to be findable and be better than what existed. That's 479,000 views from people who typed something like Witcher 3 Autoloot mod into a search bar. No promotion, no social media strategy, just a real solution to a real pain point, discoverable at the moment someone needed it. The question for your side project isn't, is this a cool idea? The question is, are people already frustrated enough to search for this? If yes, you're in a much better position than you think.